You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Oh, shit! I mean, if you poke him enough, he'll move. Is he alive even?
Yeah.
Oh, he's pissed. He looked at you. Can I have that back? Please. Can I have it back? Oh, thank you.
Why the f*** is Billy Earl on the neighbor's house? He on the roof.
We were cleaning the boat and found this guy getting a drink. Every drop counts.
Gummy? Hey. Now. Go. Oh my god.
Pippa, no. Pippa, no, Pippa. You're an idiot. No, no. Oh my gosh. Pippa, no. Holy.
Young lady. I have a hard-boiled egg, and I think Jeff is scared of it. Jeff, it's okay. Just say.
Which is more hilarious? If they knew this would happen, or if they did not.
Dude dropped his phone in the monkey enclosure.
It's my brother's phone, so we'll see if he'll get it back. Yum yum. Yum yum.
He's like, ooh, this is nice.
Hold on. The water's not working anymore. Please. Help. Help.
You know who this is? Like, is
It's
this?
a commercial.
It's a commercial.
Ma! Ma, come outside! There's a moose! Or a buffalo or some shit there fight! Where the are you going?
Can I help you? Yummy?
I told my son to take the donkey a bath.
Where is it? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh, no, 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 no. In the fridge again.